In this video, we'll show 3 people collaborating using LucidLink: a videographer, an editor, and a producer. You can make a folder for the project and even include a shot list for the videographer.
I'm on assignment in the field and can read my shot list from within the LucidLink app. Once I get that footage, I navigate to the correct folder in LucidLink and click the plus button. I select the footage I shot and it uploads directly into the file space.
Meanwhile, on the LucidLink desktop app, I can see this footage appearing in real time as it uploads from the field. The footage can be dropped onto a Premiere sequence within seconds of the footage being shot. And when my edit is complete, I can export the file directly into the LucidLink file space and send a direct link right to my producer.
I'm the producer on this project, and I'm not always at my computer when the final export needs to be reviewed. With the LucidLink app on Android, I can click on the link the editor sent me, see the exports folder, and review the content while on the go.
The LucidLink app for Android extends the reach of your team, allowing you to leverage the portability and versatility of mobile devices as a part of your production. Check out our other workflow videos on lucidlink.com.